After months of speculation, Ulster Bank have this morning announced that they're exiting the Irish market after 160 years servicing customers. From a consumer point of view, in terms of competition, it's not great news. And also, Ulster Bank are a huge employer. So for the thousands of employees that are concerned about their roles and their future today, it isn't great news also. But we've received a lot of questions just in relation to mortgages and what might happen if you are making a mortgage application to Ulster Bank right now, if you're in flight in terms of have a loan offer or looking to complete out on a purchase, and indeed if you have a mortgage. So just firstly to say that Ulster Bank is still open for business. So they're still accepting applications, their mortgages are still being processed. So there's no concern or issue there. In terms of existing mortgages, there's generally two options that are brought about in this situation. So it may be the case that Ulster Bank continue to service their own loans by way of a loan servicing firm, so they still continue to remain or to keep the ownership of the loans, or indeed they may choose to sell the loans either to another financial institution or to a private equity firm who would then take ownership of those loans. Just to be really clear that the terms and conditions of your existing loan offer do not change, your existing mortgage do not change in those events. Also to be really clear that the full protections of the Central Bank under the Consumer Protection Code still apply. So there's no need for panic. Ulster Bank have noted, and Jane Howard, the CEO, have noted that they will contact all customers over the coming months to explain the process and to ensure that they're aware of the wind down. So for right now, just to be aware that again, it doesn't mean that your loan is going to be withdrawn if you're in flight in terms of a mortgage application, and it doesn't mean that your existing mortgage is at risk. It's just to bear in mind that at the moment, Ulster Bank are going through that process of what might happen in terms of existing loans and their existing loan book. And I think it's really a case of, to wait and see rather than to panic right now. So if I can answer any of your questions or if there's anything that we can do at Doddle, please do let us know.